So in this tutorial we are going to see how does ancestors method work in Ruby. So we know that everything is an object in Ruby and every object belongs to a class, but we also know that sometimes your class actually inherits from some other class. So there is some parent class, and many times it's actually a hierarchical tree. So it's not like an object belongs to only a class. Actually that class also has a parent and the parent also has a parent, so it's like a family tree. Now you have an object and you want to see like who are all the ancestors. So you know ancestors method is actually you can relate to the job it is doing in Ruby. So if you have an object and you want to know like who are all the classes it is inheriting, so this is the thing that ancestors method do. So if I say it like, so we get an error because ancestors is not going to be called on one, it's going to be called on the class of one. So you have an object, you would first go to the class of that object and then you call the ancestors. So every class, actually the ancestors belong to that class, not to the instance of that class. So it's like every class has some ancestors, and to get that tree of ancestors in the outgoing order you have to call the ancestors method. So here we can see that one.class is actually fixed num, and fixed num, when the ancestors of fixed num are these classes. So it starts from fixed num, then the direct parent of fixed num is integer, then integer belongs to numeric class, then there is comparable, object, kernel, and basic object. So actually the family tree ends at basic object. So you can say like basic object is the Adam. So this is the way things go. This is the way ancestors return our results. One thing I would also like to say is that not everybody is actually a class. There are some modules also. Okay, so it's like in your ancestors result it will return all the classes and all the modules that it is including. So that will be your result set. Now we are going to see who are all in the ancestors tree of a string class. So this is a string class. Now we are going to see the ancestors of a string class. So a string class, it inherits from, it has comparable, it has object, it has kernel, it has basic object in its ancestors tree. And now so this is the way. So this is the result set that we will get when we call the ancestors method, and this is the way we use it in Ruby. So that was all. Thank you.